Today I want to walk you through the assembly process of the Sys Cabinet AZ. All you will need is a rubber mallet. You're going to start with the left side. You're going to take the piece labeled top. Each piece has a label on it. So you're going to take the top piece. You're going to ensure that the two large holes in the rear are facing towards the back. So where you have the additional holes here, you're going to simply drop this in. And these use a Lockdowel connection system. So all we're going to do is slide these together slightly. Don't push it all the way in. We're going to leave about a 1-inch gap at the front. Next, we are going to take the back piece, and the two metal pins are going to be going towards the top. So we're going to drop this into place, and again, we're going to slide it. Next step, we're going to take the piece labeled the bottom, the pins facing towards the back, drop this in, slide it till it engages. From there, these three pieces are now started. It is going to be time to drop the right end piece on, line up all of our Lockdowel connectors, and then we're going to take the top piece and we're going to push it all the way into position. The best way to do that is to flip the cabinet on its back, take a rubber mallet, and simply tap it until it's all the way in place. Then we're going to rotate the cabinet 90 degrees. We're going to do the same procedure on the back here. Then we're going to flip it onto the back. We'll tap the bottom piece into place. And that's it. The Sys-AZ cabinet is fully assembled. The left side, you'll notice there's a hole at the very bottom. That is for your locking mechanism. For the drawer slides, we'll go ahead and we'll start at the very bottom. I like to start the screw through this hole first. Helps find the alignment. Line it up. And last step, we will put the locking mechanism in place right there. And that's what holds the drawer in the locked position. Slide that into position. It's a nice tight fit. Now that the drawer slides are installed, we're simply going to take our drawer, we are going to line it up. Now it is installed. To open it, pull up on the tab, and it comes open. Now if I have a Systainer sitting in position here, I can pull this open it up, access the contents. I can then add a second, a third, a fourth, depending on the size and the height of the Systainer. These cabinets are designed to be stacked. So let's say you're going to go against a wall, take one cabinet, set it on top of the other cabinet, and you have 4 holes in the top of this cabinet, 4 holes in the bottom of this cabinet. You just simply drill the rest of the way through, use a sleeve connector bolt to connect the two cabinets together, and now you have a taller cabinet. You could go 3 high if you wanted to. Check it out at Systainer.store. Hope you enjoyed the video.